This is Greg Troutline with Maritime Reporter TV, and we're very pleased today to be joined by Simon Scarfetti, the Technical Director and Business Development Manager of Fincantieri Marine Systems, to discuss SOLID, the company's condition-based monitoring system. Simon, to start us off, I'm sure that many of our viewers know the Fincantieri Marine System name, but can you give us an overview of FMS using the metrics of your choice?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm the technical director for Fincantieri Marine System. Fincantieri Marine System is an organization that is owned by Fincantieri SPA. And our goal here in the United States is to serve the United States Navy and the United States Coast Guard, and also all the cruise line. I mean, all the ships that we build from Italy, we are sending all over the world, and Fincantieri Marine System is taking care about all the business here in the United States and South America. Is a company that is very well driven from people that they have been through shipyards and engine rebuilds from day number one. And right now we are also opening a shipyard very soon in Mayport, Florida. And we are very excited. And we are globally, let me say, around the world with Fincantieri Marine System. As a Fincantieri Marine System, we are based in Mayport, Florida. We are based in Chesapeake, Virginia. We are based also Sasebo, Japan, and Bahrain. So we are fully covered, let me say, for the US Navy, let me say.
Can you just give us an overview of the product and its capabilities?
Yes, so SOLID is a display, is a unique display that, myself and my team, we said, okay, what in the market is missing? My big problem at the beginning was how I can communicate with my technician on board the ship and how I can troubleshoot all the problems when my technician, they cannot reach. So we start to put together a screen, and we started to add a data logger. So we have a data logger inside that is fully integrated in the screen and is recording from 10 times every second, and it can go even down to every half millisecond. This is extremely important for us and for our customer to collect the data. Every time we start the engine, we start the file, we record, and we close the file as soon as we shut down the engine. Of course, there are several options that the customer, they can even decide to record while the engine is in stop condition. The nice part of the SOLID is that we are controlling the engine, we are control the safeties of the engine, so we are able to shut down the engine in case we have an emergency. But also what is extremely important is that we can, of course, monitoring all the exhaust temperature. We can, let me say, collect the data, and we have a kind of rollover memory. So depends the speed of the data logger, you can collect data for the last year, the last 2 years, or the last 3 years. It's a rollover memory. So it means when the memory is full, it's going to start to rewrite the memory from the very beginning. So you will have also always a lot of data behind. And what is extremely important with the SOLID is that I am able to do prediction. So the system inside the computer is always compare actual data, live data, with the previous data that I recorded 6 months before, 3 months before, 1 year ago. And I am able to put together like trends on the jacket water, oil pressure, wherever you need, because the system is fully customized by the customer. So the customer, he will have fully access, and he will be able to decide what to do and what settings to change. This is extremely important because for us, because we have a huge savings in PMS with our customer. So PMS is preventive maintenance schedule. But do I really need to do, for example, the 2000-hour PMS? So you have a scientific way to prove that maybe you really don't need to do the 2000-hour PMS, because when I ask you to clean the heater exchange and scientifically you can prove that the water temperature before 2000 hours ago and now is only like 5 Fahrenheit, it really makes no sense. So our customers that they are using our system, they are saving a lot of money. Of course, the customers has also the ability to decide if they want to transfer the data via the cloud or keep the data inside the SOLID. The customer, through the touch screen, he will be able to check all the data, all the analysis, all the vibration analysis, and if they want, they can send the data through the LTE or satellite to the cloud, and from my office, like I'm doing right now with the cruise line, I will be able to connect to the SOLID, check when the engine are running, check all the thermodynamics, and in case they have a problem, I can even call them. The system is going to send out an automatic message, say, hey guys, you have a problem, so you need to take an action. So I have a camera on top, so I can connect myself to the SOLID. I can go inside the system, and I can even speak with an operator. And the beautiful side of the SOLID is that you can record whatever you want. You will be able to record an engine. You will be able to record the HVAC. You will be able to record bilge pump, fin stabilizer, wherever you want. Even if you have an analogic signal, we are able to convert in Profibus, CAN communication, wherever you need or wherever is installed on your ship.
As you know, digitalization and CBM solutions are becoming rampant throughout this industry. Now, I'm certainly not looking for you to disparage any competition, but from your perspective, what makes SOLID stand out in an increasingly crowded CBM field?
Well, first of all, because my price is the best price compared to all the other companies. There are other companies on the field that they're asking millions of dollars. Our system is super achievable, is, let me say, is very inexpensive, and is well proved already in our Navy application and cruise line application. As I said, is a grade A mil spec, and definitely is going to save tons of money. And at the end of the day, you have one screen, and is everything inside. You have the software, you have the data logger, you have the radio, and you have the camera. So you can use even as a let me say, as a tool, okay, to give to your technician to connect to any single device that you want to connect. Of course, there is some engineering behind to do, like softwares, and this is what I think is driving the SOLID to the correct path forward. You know, is one tool but contain all the solution for save money. This is what we believe.
Can you share some specific examples where SOLID is installed today?
Yes, we have military application like MSC. We are using on almost on each single vessel. We are still inside our program to retrofit, you know, all the components with the SOLID. We are inside the Carnival cruise line. We are inside the railways application. We are dealing also with other government entities that I'm not allowed to say the names. And, you know, we have also, let me say, our OEM that they are using in Italy, inside the dyno test room, especially because is a really strong tools for vibration analysis.